Hi, this is Ronalyn Lopez and I'm going to sing Payphone by Mraz. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change are spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my night, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love, right? Even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change are spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. There are the plans we made for two. Yeah, if happy ever after didn't exist, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales just can't exist. One more stupid love song, now this is. You turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause we forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love, right? Even the sunset in paradise. I'm at the payphone trying to call home. All of my change are spent on you. Where have the times come, baby? It's so